Hi everyone, welcome back to Tooltip Tuesday. Today I want to talk about a cool little feature built into the 3D simulation software. Um, we often may get questions on, especially with inexperienced operators and even some experienced operators before we start a job, how far should I hang the tool out to avoid hitting the collet with my grinding wheel, or if I have it too far out, what other problems may come. So to optimize the projection or the stick out of the tool, we have a feature called minimum protrusion. We can find that on the toolbar up above or under analyze, and here we go, minimum protrusion. That opens up a dialog window. We can see here the original blank length, but we don't have a calculated length at the moment. And we've got a safety gap of 2 millimeters. If we calculate, it says that with the current grinding program and the current wheel setup, that we should have the tool sticking out 54.3 millimeters. So if we grind, we can find that the wheel now has a 2 millimeter safety gap. However, if we put that to the test and do a negative safety gap, we can see that we now have the collision, that it comes into 2 millimeters. It also includes all the other wheels on the wheel pack as well. So if we bring those wheels into play, we can see that the cup wheel also, when we do the OD back off, comes into play and has a collision. Bringing that safety gap back to 2 millimeters, it includes the cup wheel or other wheels on the wheel pack, giving us, I guess, the peace of mind that we're not going to hit our collets or grind our collets when we're in the machine. Thanks guys for watching. If you have any feedback or would like to see other Tooltip Tuesdays, please leave it in the comments and we'll see you next time.